Today I'm going to show you how to fade an image to any color. So head to Canva, create a design, custom size, select the format you want to use, create new design. The first thing you want to do is select an image, so head to elements, so for me I'm just going to use a photo I previously used, set that as background, you scroll back up to elements, you type in gradient, select see all, you scroll down and select a gradient. So here is one, change it to the right size, add the color you want. I might use green. And what you want to do now that you've selected your color and the gradient, hold Alt and you drag it to get a duplicate. And then you do that as many times all the way to the edge of the image to get your fade in the image. And there you have it. And once that's done, you can add your text in. So yeah, thank you for today. If you like this, please give me a subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.